How to fix Total Wireless account recharge failed. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, get into your Total Wireless, and then from there, here, the very first thing that you need to do is verify your payment details, right? What you're going to do is double check your card number, expiration date, your CVV and billing zip code, and ensure your card matches the billing address on file. So after doing that here, next thing to do is simply check your account balance, simply confirm your balance or credit card has sufficient fund and has not flagged the charge or fraud. So after making sure all of these are good, then you can try to use the mobile app or website, like I said, to get into your application. Make sure you're logged into account, and then from there, simply if you are charging by your text or phone system failed, you can log into your account by your Total Wireless website or mobile app, and then check if that worked or not. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try a digital refill pin. What you're going to do is purchase an official Totalless While refill card or code online. For example, it could be Target or Walmart, and then redeem the pin directly in your account portal too. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try to clear all of the browser cache, or you can simply clear all of the cache of your application too. And lastly, I would like you guys to simply call or contact the Total Wireless, so you can get that option on the application. Simply tap on that headphone icon, you'll be able to contact them, and just like that, I'm pretty sure that you'll actually be able to fix your Total Wireless account. So yeah, that's it.